So today we are going to see the first episode of Small Diaries. In this series, I will show you small recipes, okay? The first recipe which I'm going to show you is made for desserts. You can enjoy it. I can guarantee. So first we'll need to take some like ready agar. So it is a coconut water one. So already prepared coconut water pudding, agar, chopped almonds, half cup evaporated milk, 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. So let's get started. For some reasons it's going sideways, but that's no problem. We need to chop it like this. We need to give a big mix. We need to chop it roughly. Then after that we need to pour the evaporated milk. Then condensed milk. Why is it so thicky? After mixing it well, we will add some chopped almonds. And please. That's it. I know it's really simple, but it's really yummy. Don't add sugar because the condensed milk has sugar, the coconut pudding has sugar, so no need of sugar. Okay. So now I'm going to taste this. I'm thinking for a good success. It's so yummy. So it's really sweet, it's really good. I dedicate this to my father's brothers and their family because they love sweets, and when we give them sweets it's really special, and when I make it it's really special. I dedicate it to them, and I'm telling them that please try it and send pics and share your reactions, okay? And to you also, you all who are watching this video, please send pics and try it and tell how it is. I'll be really happy to see all the comments. And bye-bye. Have a nice day and try it. Bye. Subscribe to Simply South Samuel and like, share to my videos. Okay. Hello everyone. It is with coconut water. We have like so use like this is coconut water, China agar, then scraped almonds, half cup. क्या है? Perfectly. Now what should I do? I don't know. Now after mixing really goodly, really excellent. So already the evaporated milk has some sugar.